Welcome to video 3, setting up your software wallet. In this video, we're going to go through the steps on how to actually set up the Electrum Bitcoin wallet. First, you'll simply go to electrum.org and click on the download button, and then you will download and install the program for your operating system, just as you would any other program. And then you'll simply run or open the program and you'll be greeted with the create or restore wallet screen. From there, you will enter your wallet name. This is for your own personal records. You can name this anything you want. I'll just leave it as default wallet. Click next. We're going to install a standard wallet. Click next. We're going to do that by creating a new seed. Hit next. And then this is your seed phrase, as we discussed in the previous videos. This you will want to write down on a piece of paper and store it somewhere safe, because if you ever need to restore your wallet again, you'll need this seed phrase to do that. And if anyone else gets access to it, they could also restore your wallet as well, as I've said before. So write that down on a piece of paper now, and then hit next. And here you will enter that same seed phrase, as the wallet is going to verify that you actually wrote it down in the correct order. So for me, I will type it in just as I wrote it down. All right. And then you will click next. And if you wrote it down correctly, you will see the next button. We'll be able to click it. I made a mistake here. Let me go through and see what I spelt wrong. There we go. Now I've entered it correctly. We'll go ahead and hit next. And then you can put a password on the wallet. The password is for your local computer only. If you need to restore your wallet ever, you can use the seed phrase. You won't need the password. If you ever forget this password, you will need to restore the whole wallet. But this is just on your machine. So when you open up the program, someone will have to enter the password to access it or to send funds from it. So enter a password now and then hit finish. And again, this password will encrypt the wallet file so no one can access it from your computer without the password. And there you go. We have completed the install and setup of the Electrum Bitcoin wallet. Now let's go through some of the options that are available to us. The first things I usually do, go to Tools and Preferences. I've already done this, so yours actually might look a little different. I have dark mode turned on. You can set that there. As you can see, light mode, dark mode. Then I usually go to unit and make sure that's set to BTC. You could put it as any Bitcoin denominated value that you'd like. I keep mine on BTC. And then fiat, you can put your local currency here. US dollars is for mine. You can change the source that it pulls the price feed from if you'd like. And that's about all I change. You can set yours however you wish, but that's where the preferences are. And then, yeah, when you make a change, you have to actually restart the wallet for the change to take effect. And then I go over to the view menu and I check everything, because if you don't check all of these options, each one of these options corresponds to the tabs you see here. So addresses will show all your addresses, coins will show all of your coins that have a balance on them, and so forth. So I would go to the view menu and select all of these. So you get all of these tabs displayed right here, and that'll be all of your wallet options. So then the first thing we need to do is actually fund this wallet. And for that, you'll go to your addresses tab and you can right click and copy an address, or you can go to receive, type in a description for test video, and then you can fill this amount in if you want, or you can leave it blank. Hit create request, and there you go. You now have your coin address that you can send funds to fund the wallet. So just the same as before, as we do that, we will right click on the description, go to copy the address, and we've copied the address. So now we can send the address to someone so they can fund this wallet. And whether you do it this way through the receive tab, or you just select an address from here, it's the exact same thing. Receive will just always pull the next available unused address from your list here. And as you use all of these, they automatically get repopulated. As you use one, a new one will come available so you never run out. And you never have to worry about running out. But it does pre-populate several addresses for you, so you have these at your disposal whenever you should need an address. So I am going to go ahead and go to one of my other wallets and input this address and send some Bitcoin to this wallet so we can see how that looks. Okay, and as you can see now, that transaction just came in. It's now appearing in the wallet. If we go to the history tab, we can see the incoming transaction, and that's pretty much it. As you can see, this Bitcoin wallet is very simple to use and straightforward, very easy to send and receive transactions. And in the next video, we'll cover why doing a small test transaction before you actually move larger funds into the wallet is important. And we'll go through more of the options and what you can do with this wallet. I hope you've enjoyed this video and see you in the next one.